Now, dear students, we will learn how we can create our first project in Wokwi. So for that, on the very right top side, you have this icon. Click on this and click My Projects. Over here, you can see that it says your projects. All the projects that we are working on will be over here, and if you have liked someone other project, that will appear over here. Now if you want to create your first project over here, then go over here on the new project, just click on this new project. This will lead to the interface where you can select which type of projects you want to create. So over here it gives the option that if you want to create the project that is related to ESP32 microcontroller, STM32 microcontroller, or Arduino or PiPico, or if you want to create a blank project. So let's say for time being I am going to create a blank project. If I click on this, this will lead to the blank project template. So if I click on this, you can see that this will lead to a page where on the right side over here, that is the where you can make your circuit diagram. On the left side you can write your any documentation related items over here. So if you want to save the projects, let's say if I say over here that and this is my, or just I write over here first blank project, and if I click on save, this will ask us that what name you want to choose for this. So I want to choose it as blank, and then I have the option to select if I want to keep it public or I want to unlist it. So for if you want to make it unlisted, then you have to pay a subscription for this for using this feature. So let's just choose public and click on save. Now you have saved your project, and where you will find this project, if you go over here to my projects, and in your projects tab you will find this blank project that we have just created in the Wokwi. Similarly, if you want to create a new project that should keep have a microcontroller in that, for that similarly go to new project. In the new project you can choose microcontroller. Let's say if I choose Arduino, then it will ask which Arduino microcontroller you want to select for your project. So for that let's click on this. So let's choose this Arduino Uno for our projects. So over here you can see that on the right side the Arduino Uno appears, and on the left side we have the sketch.ini file where you can write code. Similarly, we have a diagram.json file that is related to this diagram editor over here. Similarly, we have a library manager tab. So in the sketch.ino we write code over. Let's say I am just writing a comment to say that it's of the first project, and let's call it the hello world, and let's just save this, and then you can write its name. Let's select as hello world over here. I have entered, keep it as public, and let's just save this. Now we have created another project that is microcontroller based, and I have choose the Arduino Uno as microcontroller. Similarly, go to my projects. In the my projects you can now find that we have this new projects with the name hello world that you have created now. So in the my project section we have created two projects, one is blank, one is hello world. And if you want to again do something with this project, let's say if you want to add something in this blank project, click on this project. This will lead to that project over here. Similarly, go to add, and you can add your components in this project, and you can simulate this. So Wokwi is, as we have previously studied, that is an online simulator where you can simulate your circuit, where you can simulate your microcontroller code and circuits that are based on the microcontroller. So hope you have understood about creating your first project in the Wokwi. Similarly, if you want to delete these projects, similarly let's click on this and hit delete and hit OK. After that you can see that we have removed that our hello world project from our project sections. So hope you have understood how you can create your first project in the